Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Daisy. In this video I will show you step-by-step watercolor painting process. Painting with watercolors is a beautiful and delicate art form involves applying pigment to wet paper. So grab your brushes and let's get started. When you dip your brush into the paint and touch the wet paper with it, the paint will begin to spread and mix with the water. This is because the water allows the pigment particles to move and diffuse across the paper. I let the paint spread randomly on wet paper. When the paint lies down and the paper dries, this will be the first layer of the drawing. I wipe off excess paint with a dry cloth, so easy to get real clouds. Please share this video with a friend as it will aid in the growth of my channel. When the drawings dry, the colors will become paler, as the paper absorbs water with paint. This is because the water allows the pigment particles to move and diffuse across the paper. Please write any comment to this video if you like my drawing. Subtle details we can depict after the drawing dries a little, and we will continue. I want to add details and darken some parts of the picture. Please share this video with a friend as it will aid in the growth of my channel. With a dry brush, I run over the paper and remove excess paint, so it turned out a bright area. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you soon on my new tutorials.